This is a travel guide to riding a steam locomotive train in Darjeeling.
It is 8 a.m. in the morning local time, and I'm heading to Darjeeling main station to take a steam locomotive train called Joyride. And this is a 100-year-old steam locomotive train. It's a part of UNESCO World Heritage. And
Joyride is a special service where steam locomotive trains operate on return trips between Darjeeling and Ghum daily. Many of the steam locomotive trains are original and over 120 years old, so Joyride is the highlight of holidays in Darjeeling. There is a maintenance yard next to the Darjeeling railway station. Train technicians start preparation work for departure. The fun part of Indian Railway is that the tourists can see the steam locomotive train from a close distance. They carry coal to fill the coal bunker, such a physical work. The fireman put coal in the firebox to generate heat to transform water into tractive force. By the way, if you like videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel.
steam locomotive train called Joyride will start soon, and then this train will depart here at 9:25. And now I'm standing on the platform of the Darjeeling City station, and I can smell the smell of coal, smell of fumes. So the air condition is not one of the best in the country. This is one of the best experiences to enjoy the UNESCO World Heritage in India. Yeah, I'm very happy to be here to enjoy the over 120 years old train system in India.
The gauge is 2 feet. The width makes the size of the train small. Because of their look, the train is called a toy train in India. The distance is about 5.5 kilometers between Darjeeling and Ghum. It takes 30 minutes to reach Ghum station. The road was built along the railway, so it was so thrilling to see that cars and motorbikes drive right next to the passenger cars.
Why am I taking videos? I got a lot of ash from the steam locomotive train. And my arms, my face, I got a lot of ash. This is something very new experience. Oh, enjoyable. Joyride. And let's go take this my Darjeeling.
Batasia Loop. After climbing the hill, my train reached a park called Batasia Loop. The railway was laid in a spiral shape to gain elevation. The beautiful view of Kanchenjunga. We can see Kanchenjunga from the park. Batasia Loop is also a war memorial of soldiers who lost their lives during the Gulf War. The steam locomotive train stopped at this park to perform the technical check for the last part for Ghum. Passengers took photos with the locomotive train while these firemen were checking the condition of the firebox. Ghum Station is the highest station in India, located at an altitude of 2,258 meters. There is a museum showing the history of the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. The steam locomotive train left for Darjeeling. The grocery shop sells vegetables right next to the tracks. The speed seems faster because the return way is downhill.
Hey, I just finished riding the locomotive train from Darjeeling to Ghum. It's a very short trip, 1 hour, but it's a very good experience. And then, on the train, along the track, we can see Himalayan mountains, Kanchenjunga, and other beautiful places. It's a great place, a good experience here.
Mike Kobayashi, Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, Joyride, Darjeeling to Ghum.